Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you are unable to activate iMessage and FaceTime and it shows activation unsuccessful or waiting for activation after the latest update of iOS, then you are at the right place to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We start from the basic. The first and basic method is launch settings and enable airplane mode. Then tap on Journal and tap Date and Time and make sure that Set Automatically is enabled. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, we have to launch settings again and disable airplane mode. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then we launch settings again and tap messages. Here we have to turn off iMessage. Then go back to settings and tap on FaceTime and turn off FaceTime as well. After turning off, we have to go back to settings and tap Journal. Here we have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. We have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. After reboot, we have to go back to settings, Journal and tap VPN and device management, tap on VPN and disconnect VPN if it's connected. After that, go back to settings and tap messages. Now turn on iMessage and tap on FaceTime and turn on FaceTime as well. And just for a suggestion, go back to settings, Journal and tap software update and update your iPhone if the update is available. That's it. With these simple and easy steps, you will activate your iMessage and FaceTime easily. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.